So students of class 7, a new lesson, antiquated, which means new things, which means the things which have become obsolete, not in use nowadays, which were uh, used by people earlier. So that's it. Here you will be getting to know uh, something about those things that have become obsolete and not that much used by people today. So train spotter member, he is writing something, and people are reacting to it. While cleaning the garage today, I stumbled across my grandfather's old collection of video cassettes, VHS types. It gave me the idea that I could do my term project on inventions, specifically new ones that have replaced the old ones. Any suggestions? Now here he ends with a question. That means he will be doing his project on inventions. And about the inventions, what special thing he would like to deal with? That is the new inventions that have replaced the old ones. Now, a reaction to it, a reply to it. This should be interesting. Analog and digital. This is analog camera. This is digital camera. It wasn't long ago that analog cameras, ones that used photographic film to capture images, were considered to be the latest technology in photography. Now, this was the analog cameras with that film in it was regarded as the latest technology in photography. I remember loading and removing a film roll into and out of one of those cameras. Now, the writer here, he is actually aware of the fact that he himself had put the roll of the film inside the camera and brought it out also. So it was an art to be mastered, and that entering that roll inside and getting it out was an art that was to be learned, that was to be mastered. The toughest part was that we couldn't view a picture as soon as it was taken. Now, its disadvantage was that once a picture was captured, we could not see it immediately. We had to send the film to a lab to be developed. Then came the digital cameras, all we had to. Now, this was all about that analog camera that the roll had to be sent to a lab to be developed. So after getting developed, we could see the images, we could see the pictures, and then came the digital camera. All we had to, and the later portion of this sentence in the next slide. So let us move. So here it is. That do was point at the camera, shoot a view, the photo. No film rolls, no dark rooms to develop the film, and now it looks like the digital camera itself will soon be a relic of the past. We have cameras on our smartphones which have turned everyone into a photographer. Now, first we had those analog cameras which were replaced by those uh, digital cameras. Digital cameras have some advantages that the images can be seen immediately, and that there is no roll of a film, and it was not it doesn't we don't have to send the things to a lab for uh, developing. So these are the advantages. But even then, these digital cameras are being replaced by our smartphones, which have turned everyone into a photographer. Now, this was the reaction, this was the response of this particular member to that first question of that first member. Now, absolutely, it's sad in a way, but we can't stop the march of progress. Remember, those film cameras too were a culmination of years of development in photographic technology. Now, this member is actually commenting on that remark about that analog, smart, digital, and smartphones. So this member says that it's a sad in a way, but we cannot stop the march of progress. It is the development that is taking place in the field of photography, and we cannot stop that. Remember, those film cameras too were a culmination of years of development in photographic technology. Now, first, those analog cameras, they were also the result of many years of development in photographic technology. It was only in the late 19th century that a Frenchman named Nicephore Niepce was able to fix the pictures to paper with the use of chemicals. Now, this was the person, that Frenchman, who first did it and fixed the pictures on paper with the use of chemicals. He is recognized as the inventor of modern photography. Now, this person, Nicephore Niepce, is recognized as the inventor of modern photography. As the technology developed, the devices became more compact, accurate, and easy to use. Now, the technology could not stay at that point only, it had to develop, and it developed. The devices became more compact, accurate, and easy to use. And I agree, what would we do today without our phone cameras? Some of them are more powerful than many digital cameras, but you were right. It is only a matter of time before our phones are also replaced by other devices. Now, see, this member agrees with that previous member that these smartphones may also be replaced by some other devices in a short time. So, this much in this presentation. We'll come up with new things in the next. Till that time, bye, students. Thank you.